So yeah, this is called your YouTube channel. How to increase YouTube channel subscriber and viewers using Twitter account. That is main option call is Twitter using for Twitter cards. That is option call is Twitter ads. When coming to Twitter ads, when creating for based on ads, they enable by your Twitter card option. Enable by your Twitter card option. When click for Twitter ads, here will be showing for when main option is called select your cards. Select your cards. In this one, go to card library. You can create for your YouTube channel on this card library. The option call is website cards. In this, first of all, copy the total YouTube URL, headings, digital marketing, training, video, tutorials 2019, copy. Here, select image, post it. Image was selected. Image is guru for your content. Image is guru for your content. Select your card. Create your post. After come this, click for your tweet. Add your content. So after that, add your everything by add digital Rakesh. You can add by SEO, SMO, SEM, and SMM. Writing for video marketing and email marketing, ash, affiliate marketing. These are the specific course hashtags. Now click for thing. You can create for the phone number. Click for tweet. In this tweet, the tweet will be done. Come into tweet option. Come into your tweet option. Check your tweet. This is called your organic post. This is called your organic post. After posting done, simple call. Go to here. Edit access to account. Again, go to my paid ads. Again, go to my paid ads. Go for view ad manager. View ads manager. Create campaign. So first I'm creating for organic post. After creating organic post, we can create by the second one. Which one? Tweet engagement. Tweet engagement. Everything will be select here. Select your daily budget $5. Total budget $30. Campaign run by 6 days. After started ended, click for next. If you set any specific time, select here and not set any specific time. This will be going to automatic bidding. Click for next, and your target audience will be fixed by here only. That is called select your all target audience. General age will be I'm setting for 13 years to 49 years. Here I'm setting for language English. Add. So click here. Only for India, writing for English. Next for audience selection based on the keyword. Digital marketing, add. search engine optimization, ad, video marketing, ad, done. The time will be 13.3K to 16.3K. So if you require, add your followers. Not required, click for next. A ad will be created. Click for next. Very important is called your tweet selection. Recent tweet will be selected. Why? Because this tweet belongs to for increase your video views and subscriber. So I'm setting campaign for tweet engagement purpose. When engagement your tweet, automatically click for users your YouTube channel. So they come into your user, click for your YouTube channel. They come into where? On your YouTube channel. They are watching your subscribers and increase your viewers on your particular YouTube channel. So done. This ad will showing for total 4 areas: user timeline and profile and tweet detail page, search results. If anything not required, select it. Default one is called user timeline. What is the user timeline? Like this. Coming to any Twitter, in a timeline, they're showing for your ad. See this one. Promoted will be your ad. This is called Twitter timeline. So I'm selecting for 3 options. Why? I'm reaching for more customers. I'm adding for 3 platforms. Click for next. Review your campaign. The reach will be 14.8K to 18K peoples. This is your tweet. Launch your campaign. This is called create your campaign. First we done by organic post. Second will done by paid ads. The use option call is tweet engagement ad. After that, go to back, view ads manager, check ad is public or active or not. See this one. Ad is running successfully. This is called tweet engagement for on your Twitter posting along with the Twitter cards. If enable or disable also. Disable, okay, enable also. Both will be eligible for Twitter engagement with increase your YouTube views and subscribers.